Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to wear our Velvet Cat Eye Gel Polish in 3 easy ways. Let's get into it. First, I'll show you how to create a glass cat eye effect. Apply a thin coat of blackout and cap the free edge. Tidy any areas needed before curing. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of Velvet Cosmos and cap the free edge, leaving it uncured. Hover the big magnet beside your nail to push the glitter to one side. Cure for 60 seconds. To create the glass look, you can apply any sheer color of your choice. Here I have used watermelon jelly. Some other gel colors you could use are Into the Blue, Blue Jelly, Espresso, and Darkest Forest. Next, I'll show you how to create a velvet French tip. For this tutorial, I've used Velvet Night, but you can use any of our velvet shades. Apply a thin coat of your velvet polish and cap the free edge, leaving it uncured. Hover the small magnet over your nail to lift the glitter to the surface, then push it towards the tip. Hover the magnet parallel to the tip of your nail to lift the glitter back to the surface. To define the French tip, push the glitter back towards the tip. Repeat previous steps till you are happy with your velvet French tip. Finally, I'll show you how to create a full nail velvet look. For this look, I've used Velvet Blush, but you can use any of our velvet shades. Apply a thin coat of your velvet polish and cap the free edge, leaving it uncured. To lift the glitter to the surface of the polish, hover the large end of the magnet around the edges of your nail. Cure in between each layer and repeat if needed. There are many fun cat eye looks you can create, even by layering different sheer gel colors on top. Make sure to tag us in your creations. Thanks for watching!